In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert videos in Google Slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a YouTube clip into your slide, position it neatly, and control how it plays during your presentation. Begin by opening your Google Slides presentation and navigating to the slide where you want the video to appear. Having the correct slide selected ensures the video lands in the right place without extra rearranging later. At the top of your screen, click the Insert menu, then choose Video. This opens the Insert Video window. Make sure the YouTube tab is selected. That's the quickest way to bring in videos directly from YouTube without leaving slides. You can now find your video in two easy ways. Type a few keywords or the exact title into the search box to browse results. Or, if you already have the link, paste the YouTube URL straight into the same box. Use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac to paste quickly. After entering your search terms or pasting the link, press Enter to load the results. Pick the video you want from the results, then click Insert. Google Slides will place a video thumbnail onto your slide. Click and drag the video to move it where you want. To resize it while maintaining proportions, drag from a corner handle. This avoids stretching or squashing the image. If you want a polished look, align it with the slide's guides or center it horizontally and vertically for consistency across your deck. To customize how the video behaves, open the Format Options panel on the right. If it isn't visible, select the video and look for Format Options near the toolbar. Here you can set a start and end time to trim the clip without editing the original. You can mute the audio if you plan to talk over the footage or want silent background visuals. You can also choose whether the video plays on click or automatically when the slide appears. Autoplay is helpful for timed or kiosk-style presentations, while play on click gives you more control in live sessions. A quick tip before presenting: YouTube videos stream from the web, so test your slide in present mode with a reliable internet connection and verify that YouTube is allowed on your network. Check volume levels and ensure the video loads smoothly, and that's it. Your YouTube video is now successfully inserted into your Google Slides presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Slides tips and tutorials.